Hey guys, in this question we need to find the ratio of the volume of a cone and a cylinder who have the same radii, but the height of the cone is 3 times of that of the cylinder. So we need to know that the volume of cone is equals to pi r square h divided by 3, whereas for the cylinder it is pi r square h, where r and h are the radius and the height of the figures respectively. So we just need to calculate the volume and divide the volume of cone by the volume of cylinder. So here we will see that since the radius of both the figures are same, we can just cancel out the radius part and h part. So we are left with and pi as well, and so we are left with 1 by 3 into 3. So 3 will cancel out 3. So the ratio we get is 1:1. So the correct answer for this question is 1:1.